guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get too far into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe and watch as well. Anywho, as you can see, I'm in the car. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in the car. I'm stopped right now because we just left out of Joann Fabrics, which is a craft store for those of you that may not know. I needed to get me some cardstock because I'm about to work on some stuff with some graduation fans, to be exact. And also, hold it this way, maybe not. And then also, me and Casey are going to go on a little mommy and son lunch date on a Thursday. You get it? But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and bring you guys along with us on our little day, okay? Hey guys, we are at the Habit. Y'all see Casey in his hair? Casey don't ever like his do-rag on when he sleep any kind of way, so don't pull on my baby. Thank you. Anyway, we at the Habit. I'm not eating it. I got it for Casey. Got him some chicken bites and fries, and I got me some Chipotle. The gag is I got something a little different because I was gonna let Casey eat out of this one, but I want to enjoy it. Okay. I got sour cream. I don't like sour cream. I hate sour cream. Okay, as I was trying to say, and I gotta wrap it up because they play music in here, but I hate sour cream, and I don't know, like lately I've been seeing it on people's food and it be looking so good, like so I think I'm gonna use sour cream but mix it with the hot a little bit because I like the hot, but I got it on the side because I told y'all I was debating on if Casey was gonna eat with me, and he did just eat a spoonful of my food because he's greedy. So yeah, I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna show y'all actually when I start eating, when he start eating, because he gonna give me a run for my money. Right now he grabbing the fork. Okay, I'm scared. Now I always eat my Chipotle with chips. I just got this fork for the patient. Keep making sure it's all in there, y'all. I'm so scared. Okay. It don't smell that bad. I need to chill. I'm not putting it all over my food because if I don't like it, it's getting out. Okay, I'm mixing it, y'all. Taste the food ready. You gotta go get your food, boo. Yeah, you got food. It's hot. Hot. Now let me taste the food. Good. Ready to eat? Sit down. Sit down. Shita. Sit down. Thank you. Down. Okay. Hot. Hot. Blow it. Now this baby don't ever know how to sit down. Anywho, it's good. But all right, I just mixed. It looks disgusting. I'm gonna just add this. On top. I'm scared. mostly taste the hot, not really the sour cream. That's a good thing though. Hot. Eat those. Tastes good. Yeah, that's too hot. Eat those. I know if I pour it, it's gonna be nasty, but it's the only way. Just dipping and putting it on top. Maybe because it's mixed, because maybe the sour cream by itself, I don't think I could do it. Hey guys, we have ate and our bellies are full. Now we at the park to walk it and play it off, okay? Come on. You gotta let go. Your shoe saved you. Whee! Out for the count. That's so cute. Okay, you guys, it is a little gloomy and ugly outside, but we have made it to the carnival. And it's not much like the fair. It's a different experience, and we're here before nighttime. Kason is so cute, and he's in his new big boy stroller. Kason, so handsome. Okay. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. It's giving, we came here to walk through and walk the F out. Y'all, it's rinky dinky. I ain't gonna say that, but baby, it's giving, Mom, it's giving ghetto. Like, I don't know. I can't do. My mama said the food don't even look appetizing. The man don't know what the age, height, the height limits and stuff is for the baby to ride. Lord, I'm gonna get a funnel cake and go, Lord. Bye-bye.
At the sound of the bell, pull back on that trigger, aim at your target. The first one to the top is the winner. Here's the bell.
It was a tight race up.
Yay, boo, we won!
Pink, blue, or black?
It's the same, that same thing?
Yeah.
Black is fine. No, blue. Oh, no. Black is fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look,
Thank
boo.
you. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
You too.
Hi, you guys. We are, as you can see, at at the beach. Cason's first. Oh wow. Well, you got no cash though. I got a 6 ounce. Yeah. Not for them prices. Girl, the local ice cream truck, $2. It doesn't matter. That ice cream is $5. They got me bent. Anywho, y'all, we at the beach for the first time with Kason. Kason was not feeling it at first. The beach. I mean, he did not like the sand. And I'm not the biggest fan of the beach either. So, there's that. But he done warmed up. And I think he'll be okay. So I hope you don't get no sunburn. It'll be so white. Mm-hmm. Might be something. Please. Please. Ah, yummy. Y'all see those people parasailing? It's so gorgeous. You're so cute. Hi, Chicken. Okay. You don't like it? You don't like it? Okay. Come on. You fell right in the sand. You like water? Let me. Water? Hi, you guys. Back with another segment of the vlog. So I am about to head, well, the last thing you guys saw was us at the beach. We had a nice little time. Casey didn't really care for the sand, but now he's okay with it. I guess, you know, I would have to take him back to see how he act next time. But yeah, he was cool with the water, even though that's kind of backwards, because you know the water a little rough and then it be cold, but I guess it's a texture thing maybe. Anywho, right now we are headed to Publix because I want some seafood ramen. I look tired. Anyway, I want some seafood ramen, and instead of me paying a place, I'm just going to make it myself. So I already have ramen. I have garlic. I have what else? I got all the like seasonings and stuff I need. I just need shrimp. Oh, and I have sausage. Yeah, I just need shrimp, and I think I'm gonna do like a chopped up onion, little small one, and I need lemon. So yeah, about to head to the store, and I'll come back and I'll give y'all a little mini tutorial. I have watched like 2 TikToks, and I was like, they seem pretty simple because I want it to be quick and easy. Casey not eating that obviously, but he already has food from yesterday. But I really was craving this, so I'm about to make it, and I'll show you guys the process, and then that'll be the end of the vlog, and then I'll be coming at y'all with some new content. Honestly, y'all, I really love y'all, and I really thank you guys for watching and supporting my videos. I really just, sometimes I be too busy to, you know, put everything together. I feel like I be, I don't know, full-time momming. Kason is in the toddler stage, so he literally just be giving me a run for my money all the time. And then it's like when I do get a break, I don't be feeling like editing, or I be having other stuff to do, so I can't focus on, you know, what I need to do. And I look so tired. Am I tired? I probably am. I don't know, but I'm rambling a little bit, but yeah, so that just be why I be so MIA. But I do sometimes be wanting like content ideas, and so I'm like asking you guys to comment down below what you guys want to see more from me. I want to try to be more active. And it's crazy to think that I started my channel a year ago on April 5th. So it's like, oh my goodness, I had my channel since last year, and I could have been, you know, way further than what I am, but I'm not going to put myself down about it. I just know I have to work harder to get to where I want to be, you know, like anything else. But yeah, I just need to focus more, try to balance out my time better. Mom life ain't for the weak, baby. That's all I gotta say. So yeah, about to do that, and then come back, give y'all the tutorial. That'll be in the vlog, and then I'll be coming back with something else. Oh, and I know I didn't post like an actual vlog, but for all of you that went and saw my last post, my little short of me trying on all the different finds I found at Target, did you guys like it? Like, would you guys want more of that? And also for the ramen, I think I'll probably do it like TikTok style. So y'all know how it be on my vlog sometime if I vlog vertically. But yeah, about to head to the store, and we will be back in a minute. You can't even walk straight. You want to be taking my stuff. Come on, this way. This way. Come on. Hey y'all, I be so happy I got my camera. Sometimes I be forgetting, because depending on what I'm doing, my phone be quicker to get. That's why I'm down here. Don't talk about me. Case and chill. Anyways, you see where I'm at, which means y'all getting the overhead view. And since I have my camera up here, I'm gonna use my phone for the TikTok view, so both of y'all will get, you know, the good footage. So I'm home now, and I'm about to start prepping. Yeah, I already have my Cajun andouille sausage. From the store, I just got eggs. Like I said, I'm gonna go get me an onion, lemon juice. Well, I wanted a lemon. I didn't want lemon juice. Lemon is obviously more fresh. I just got like not even half a pound of shrimp because it's just me eating it. Hello for my mommy time. Strawberry daiquiri and Jamaica me happy, please. I probably won't even drink it tonight. Well, honestly, I want to, and it don't be even that much alcohol. I'm probably put them in the freezer and eat it. I mean, drink it later. I did add a little bit more seasoning to my little palette. Yeah. So that's let me focus. Okay, so that's starting from left to right. Garlic powder, onion powder, slap your mama, smoked paprika, even though I wish it was real, just regular, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. Y'all hear my sizzle. Oh, and my eggs are boiling as well. All right, y'all, time for the taste test. Lemony. Let me taste the sausage. All together, fire. And the shrimp. That'd be good.